What's up guys, in this video you are going to learn how to fix a water damaged phone. I'm gonna get straight to the point. The first thing that you need to know is how long has your phone been in the water? If it just fell in the water and you immediately removed it, you're in good hands. If it has been in water, like soaking in water for days, then you're probably in a little bit of trouble. This method works well for, like I said, very quick accidents. Maybe you dropped it in a puddle and your phone's not waterproof, or you dropped it in the toilet. I say that because I actually dropped my phone in the toilet a few years ago and I used this method to resurrect it. But yeah, the amount of time that your phone is in the water does play a big effect. So this will work better for you if you were able to quickly get your phone out of the water. All you're going to need for this method is a bag of rice. Yes, this method does work. I have done it personally. But going back to what I said, it depends on how long your phone has been in the water. So what you're going to do is you're going to grab your water damaged phone, and all you're going to do is you're going to put it in your bag of rice, zip it up, shake it around so that your phone is submerged in the rice. So you want rice above and below it. So once you get it pretty well covered like that, you are just going to leave your phone like that for as long as you can. As long as you can be without your phone. So if you can be without your phone for 12 hours, great. Leave it like that overnight. But like I said, the sooner you can do this after you drop it in the water, the better. So if you drop it in the water, immediately grab it. Oh no, it's not working. Get a bag of rice, put it in the rice, leave it in there for as long as you can. And this will help soak all the water, all the moisture out of the device, and then you'll be able to use it. I have personally done this with an older model of a phone. Now I have a waterproof phone, which is nice, but it has worked for me with older models. So I would definitely give the rice trick a try. Alright guys, if you like this video, hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button, check out some of our other awesome videos, and I've got a ton of cool videos on the way on my channel, so keep an eye out for those coming out very soon. Alright guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.